Integrated means joined together. It means different parts are combined to work as one. When things are integrated, they are not separate. They are connected and mixed together. In simple words, integrated means combined or joined into one system. If two or more things work together, they are integrated. Integration makes things better and smoother. Everything works as one unit. The school has an integrated education system. Students learn different subjects together. The app has integrated features. Many tools are in one app. Our society is integrated. People from different backgrounds live together. The computer has an integrated camera. The new system is fully integrated. English is integrated into daily life. The phone has integrated software. Mobile and internet services are integrated. Teaching and technology are integrated in schools. Work and learning are integrated online. Our school uses an integrated learning system. Integrated equals joined together as one.